All right, so let's see what we got here. We have the envelopes. Let me show them to you. And these right here is my guess is that it's a sticker. They peel off and it would be for sticking back here. And they're little snowflakes. Now, let's see the designs. We have different designs here. So let me move these over out of the way. And Be Merry and Bright. Little fox. I believe that's a fox. Looks like a fox to me. Nothing in the inside. It's the back. Pretty thick cardstock. So we have some of those. And then we have some of these. Happy Holidays. The moose. Nothing on the inside. It's the back. And then a porcupine, Warm Wishes. Nothing on the inside. And a little squirrel, Let It Snow. A little penguin, Season's Greetings. And I don't know, is that an otter or a bear? I don't know what that is. Happy Holidays? I know what that is, but I don't know what the picture is. An otter or a bear, maybe? Having some hot chocolate. I'll look at that later and figure out what it is. Some owls. And then a little wolf, Holly Jolly. And next is a reindeer, Be Joyful. And I think we got one more. Yes. And that is a regular deer with a scarf. Happy Holidays. So very family friendly. Quite a few designs in here. And there's two. How many are in here? There's three. There's four. There's five. There's six. 7, 8, 9, and 10 designs total. So very cool. I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.